One of the issues with cable controlled flight controls is that as the aircraft gains altitude, the temperature differential causes the tension in the cables to reduce. So as the aircraft climbs, then the tension here in the control cable slackens off, and the response of the flight controls to pilot input can become sloppy. So to overcome that, there is a cable tensioner included in the system, and it's made up of this crosshead and these springs and these variable halves. So what happens is there is some tension on the cable, and that tension is acting on these halves here, and it's being opposed by the spring tension here. Okay, so the force going in this direction due to the cable is being counteracted by the force in this direction due to the springs. Now, as we go up in altitude, the tension in the cables is going to reduce. Okay, so the spring tension then dominates, and the spring tension is going to push this crosshead out, and that's going to pull the two halves out, and that's just going to increase this area, and that just put more tension on the cable. So just let's have a look at what happens. So as the cable tension reduces due to the temperature drop, the spring tension will overcome that, and it will push the crosshead out. That's going to pull these two halves out, and that's going to increase the tension. So that's going to keep on going until, again, the force is acting in this direction due to the cable tension is equal and opposite to the forces produced by the spring. So this is a good method of maintaining cable tension during flight, particularly at high altitudes.